Hello!
Hey, good morning guys. So we are getting packed up. We are about to leave the Camisa house.
I know, it was so nice. I loved it.
Yeah, great service, great time, beautiful accommodations.
Highly recommend. We can link it below.
Yeah, so.
Everyone was amazing.
We just finished packing up. We're gonna head downstairs, get checked out, and get in our car to head to the wine line. So stay tuned for the ride. Make sure.
And like, comment, and subscribe. And check out our view one more time. And you did a little room tour when we got here, right?
Oh, here, I'll do that real quick. Okay, so we got a bed. We got a little closet. It's got a little safe in here.
And some robes. Very nice.
Very nice. The amazing view.
Yeah.
Out here, Cape Town, Lion's Head. You can't see it past the clouds.
It was kind of raining last night.
Yeah. And bathroom. Nice bathroom. But
it was great. I'm gonna miss it. It was really nice.
All right, close this out.
Okay. Bye.
Alright, so snapping a picture of Addie because we are so excited about the complimentary drinks. It's pretty cool.
This place is insane.
We'll show you around in just a second, but we need to start with this. I'm so excited for the sparkling apple juice and sparkling grape juice.
Yeah.
It's so nice. Like,
we got some orange fruit juice.
Yeah, some fruit juice. Like, wow.
Oh, we got yourself your Cokes.
Oh, yeah. I know, I'm excited for the juice stuff.
Yeah.
But anyways, so I'll show you around.
Oh, and we have a coffee espresso machine.
Yeah. But, alright. Enough about the beverages.
Alright, who wants the room tour?
You want to show us around, Andy?
Yeah. So this place is insane.
Yeah.
It's like a whole estate. And so we're in like a cottage and there's like 3 rooms. And then there's a kitchen and a living room area and it's really cool. So obviously bed. Here are the doors that lead out to the little courtyard.
Yeah.
And then we got a closet, TV with Netflix, complimentary fruits, some wine, more complimentary tea, coffee, water, snacks, various drinks, and then super pretty bathroom. It's a little echoey.
It's okay.
But nice tub, toilet, shower.
Nice.
Yeah, and then we'll have to film a lot of the outside. Like there's a pool area. I think we're gonna go for a wine tasting at about 1.
Yeah.
They give you a complimentary wine tasting for all the guests staying here. So we're gonna do that from 1 to 2 probably. And then we'll come back, freshen up, and then at 2:30 we'll leave for the spa, which we have a massage at 3.
Yeah, so it's going to be super awesome. We'll show you around and bring you along for the ride.
It's a little, why am I still wearing my mask? It's a little cloudy right now, but the sun's coming out and it's supposed to clear up by like 2 or 4 o'clock. So
yeah, it's really nice out. The whole estate is super beautiful.
This is crazy.
Yeah. All right, well, stay tuned.
See ya. Hello.
What's up?
Tyler's having a little snack.
Eating some chips.
Show the bag.
Oh, yeah.
Flanagan's. I've never really heard of these, but they're pretty decent.
They are pretty good.
So-
They're like green onion.
We just got back from the wine tasting. Eddie, I'm sure you want to talk about it.
Yeah, it was really good. We did 5 wines, 2 white, 2 red, and then 1 dessert wine that was white, and that was really good. It was fun. It's complimentary. It comes with booking a stay here. Everyone gets one. So we did that. It is about almost 2 o'clock, and we have our massages at 3. So we're gonna walk down to the spa, and we're gonna leave here at 2:30. So we
Got
have
a
enough
lot of
time
footage
to walk.
on the way.
Yeah, it's insanely pretty here.
It's so nice.
This is like crazy. I just poured myself a glass of the complimentary wine they leave for us in here. I was just thinking, I wonder if when they come do like turn down like housekeeping,
Are they gonna refill your
if
wine
they
bottle?
if they like refill the mini fridge and stuff. I don't know. I guess we'll see. But tomorrow we'll be drinking plenty of wine because we have a full day going to all the places. So yeah, now we're just chilling.
Trying to get the
So
Netflix
far-
to work.
Oh yeah. TV is
It's a little mad.
so we'll see what happens, but it just started sprinkling, but now it's gone. The sun's peeking out. It would be nice to sit by the pool, and I think the sun is supposed to come out a little bit more like as the day goes on, but if not, that's okay. It's still really, really pretty with like the
It's so nice.
mountains just popping out from like behind the clouds. Gives me like Harry Potter mountain vibes, if that makes sense.
Okay.
So
But
yeah, we have
Alright.
dinner tonight at 7:30 at Petite Colombe, and everyone's been like hyping that place up a lot. So I have high expectations.
Yep, we shall see.
But I guess we'll see you on the way to our massage.
Yep.
All right,
Alrighty.
bye.
Hey everyone, so we are back from our massage. We did a little walk through the garden. I don't know how to say what it was called, but I think I got a picture or a little
Bokey?
bokeh something.
It's like the nickname for the springbok little baby deer or whatever.
Oh, that's right.
That's what he was saying on the golf cart. on the way
Gotcha,
over.
gotcha. That's
Yeah.
right. Yeah. So it's incredibly
Insanely beautiful.
amazing out here.
I think
Like,
this might be like the prettiest place I've like ever seen.
yeah, like
And we've
it's
been a
pretty
lot of
unreal.
places.
Yeah. So I think now we're gonna shower up. We're a little oily after the massage and
Mm-hmm.
just hang out and get ready for dinner. But just take it easy for the next couple hours.
Yeah, I'm hungry, but it's 4:30 and dinner's at 7:30, and everyone's like, "Don't eat." So
Yeah, we're gonna just take it easy. So
Mm-hmm.
I hope you're enjoying this. It's a great time, and stay tuned. We'll do some more walking later this evening.
yeah, the sun's coming out, and it's gonna be sunset by the time we walk to dinner, so that's gonna be really pretty.
Yeah. All right, guys. Stay
Yay.
tuned. So they gave us a nice little rose petal bed, but we're pretty tired. We just got back from dinner.
Took us. We've been gone for 4 hours.
Yeah, it was a long dinner, but it was a pretty extensive course meal.
was
All the
11
pictures
courses.
were before this, and it was pretty good, except for when we went to pay the bill, and I thought that we could apply it to our room number, but that was not the case. So I had to run back to the room and then run back to the restaurant. So that was lots of fun. So
We
I'm
were
gonna
the
go
second
shower.
to last people there.
Yeah,
So
good times, good times.
it was really good, and that's not their fault.
Yeah,
Like it's
but,
us who forgot
yeah.
our wallets. But yeah, we got the pretty roses, and then we also got this
Got it.
roses
Nice.
champagne. So we'll save that one for tomorrow because I'm not
We're
staying
about to
up.
PTFO. So, anyways, we just wanted to wrap up this video. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Addie?
Tomorrow we're wine tasting starting at. So we're getting picked up at 9.
Nice, busy
So.
day. So, alrighty. Anyways, stay tuned. Addie.
Good night.